Oh, always the boy here again. Now then, part 8, Atco £5 restoration. It's just an update. I have now got the brand new battery for the Atco. So I'm going to go and stick it in and let's go and give it a try. Okay, right. Let's put that into there. Push into there. Right, let's take it outside and see if she works. Well, I think that went really well, don't you? Was a couple of troubles starting on the second time when it was hot, but just adjusted the carb a little bit and it is now running properly. So I think the mother-in-law is going to be very pleased with that and very happy. That's all I could say. Anyway, very good series. I'm glad that a lot of people have commented on the series and they did like it. And I want to say thank you very much. It's very much appreciated. So if you like that series and you want to see more, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and hit that little notification bell, and then you'll be informed that when I'm doing some more. So from me, that's all it is for now. Until next time, cheerio.